Hey guys, it's Sean Wesley Bernard and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be looking at a quick tutorial on how to improve our hamstring flexibility. So number one stretch is the standing pike stretch. To do this stretch, we need to place our legs in front of us and then try to lean forward. Try to hold this stretch for like 10 seconds if you're a beginner, or improve to 30 seconds. This stretch helps in improving spring flexibility. Our number two stretch is a one leg forward standing pike stretch. So to start off the stretch, we're going to be placing a leg in front of us. Then we try to lean forward to relax on this leg. If you can't, you can stay at about 90-degree angle above your leg. So hold this stretch for like 10 seconds. So the third stretch for this tutorial, which is actually my favorite, is a backward lunge stretch. This stretch helps in improving the split, leg hold, and also improving oversplit. So if you try in getting your oversplit, this is the best stretch for you. And lastly, we have the seated pike stretch. To do this stretch, you have to go into a sitting position and try to reach forward in your leg. Make sure to pencil your toe to feel a deep stretch in your back and also in your hamstring. Please, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.